So, I've officially completed my undergraduation, and with that the Ayanakoji challenge is officially over. So here are the 5 main goals that I plan on achieving in my postgraduate life by being like Isagi Yoichi. Number 1. Learn 4 essential skills. And these 4 are gonna be Excel, R, Stata, and investing. That is, 1 for each semester. So yes, I'm gonna be focusing heavily on learning these as much as possible by not only reading about them from guidebooks, but also by actually using and applying them. The first 3 are obviously so that I can become an excellent economist, which is my dream. And investing is so that I can learn how to multiply my money and live a more comfortable life in the long run. Number 2, get the top rank in my university. My second goal is of course gonna be to get the first rank in the university that I go to. I did achieve this feat in my undergraduation, but realized that it was not much of an achievement since my college was kind of normal. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be more challenging in the university that I go to next, since it's a more prestigious one and will have smarter students, which is something that I really need. Number 3, get 100k subs on YouTube. This time I have a different strategy. I'm not gonna make those videos which people would potentially want to watch, but make those which I'm genuinely interested in, as well as the ones which my existing and potential audience needs. Of course, ultimately the number of subscribers and viewers that I end up getting will still be out of my control, but I'm gonna focus on doing my level best anyways, especially with the value and quality of my videos. Number 4, write and publish a novel. This is something that was in the back of my mind for a long time, and now I know that I definitely want to do this. Plus I found an idea that I'm actually sticking to no matter what and not getting bored of. So yeah, I really want to write and publish this one, and I'll try my best to do it. Number 5, read 10 long and complex books. Taking this extreme step, in my opinion, will help me to improve my understanding of how things work, develop my thought process even more, make me a better human being, and develop my mental toughness all at once. So here are the 10 books which I chose for the same. Number 1, War and Peace by Leo Tolstoy. Number 2, Demons by Fyodor Dostoevsky. Number 3, Wealth of Nations by Adam Smith. Number 4, The Phenomenology of Spirit by Hegel. Number 5, The Principles of Psychology by William James. Number 6, Sentimental Education by Gustav Flaubert. Number 7, The Book of Disquiet by Fernando Pessoa. Number 8, The Man Without Qualities by Robert Musil. Number 9, The Corpus Hermeticum. And number 10, Gödel Escher by Douglas Hofstadter. And of course, in order to minimize mess-ups, I will be trying my best to achieve these goals step by step by planning ahead and making them specific, from the end goal to yearly to monthly to weekly to daily. And I'll also be posting about my progress on the community tab, and this time I'm actually gonna be doing it regularly and consistently, unless I'm so busy that I simply can't. So yeah, that's basically it for this video, and even you guys can totally do this. You guys can try this challenge with your own goals and rules and discuss your progress with me. Thanks for watching.